Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this automatic popcorn machine that this brand sent to me for this video, which has something that I don't think I've seen before. So this one, automatic popcorn machine, it's plugged to my wall right here to power. It comes with an on and off button over here on the side. And also you can add butter right here. You're going to find that this one is going to be for the kernel. And you can also add butter here for kind of like melting. So it will be melt by the time that you finish and the popcorn gets out, it will be melt and you can just do that. It's optional. You don't have to use the water, but as well as you don't have to use the butter, not the water, you also don't have to use oil, don't have to use anything else. You only have to use is air. That's gonna be it. So we're gonna just fill this kind of like compartment over here with the kernel. We're gonna just do this regular one. No air, no air, no oil, no butter, no nothing. We just do this. We finish, we put this. Remember, you can put the butter on top and let it melt. We're gonna hit on right now. We're gonna come back in a few seconds so you can see how this one works. It's magic. So it's working right now. It's a little bit loud just because it uses hot air. So you need to kind of like preheat the air and rotate all the kernel over there. Remember, you can put the butter up here and it will be melting because this will be hot. So just put a big one down there and just wait for that magic to happen. Okay, I can hear some poppings, and then you can see how these ones are popping right away. This has been like probably no more than 2 minutes, I think so. Less than 3 minutes for sure. And that's a whole kernel. So you can see that the whole thing is gonna just pop up here and there. Of course, some seeds are gonna be unfinished, but that's gonna be probably like a 2%, 1%, something like that. It keeps going. That's the magic of this hot air popcorn machine without any oil, an additional or optional butter.